Hi, this is Kurt at Traverse Tool Company. Today we're going to talk about IP protection, explain what that is, and how to decipher it. So first of all, IP stands for Ingress protection. So there's always going to be two digits after the IP. The first one is for solids, the second one is for liquids, and there will always be two, even if there's no protection against one of them. So if you have protection against solid but not liquid, it'll be a number and then either a blank or an X, or vice versa. On measuring tools, most of the time you're not going to see anything under a 3 in the solids for ingress protection. But for example, a 4 is 2.5 millimeters. That's about the size of a large chip. And the highest is a number 6, which is no ingress of dust permitted. Even something as fine as dust is going to be sealed out of these calipers. The second number in the IP rating is for liquids. So just like solids, if there's an X or a 0, it means there's no protection at all. For example, a 1 only protects it from falling drops of water. And it goes all the way up to 9, which is for high pressure jet wash, in case you ever need that for your calipers. Thank you for watching, and for the complete list of IP ratings, check out the link below.